You are waiting for the last component to complete your DIY project. You finally get the parts in the mail and start assembling it. You are getting ready for its first test. You press play and nothing happens. You start looking for faulty connections. You find it, get frustrated, throw it away. So what will I make to solve this problem? I will make small and affordable audio amplifier DIY kits with high-grade components that both kids and adults will find a lot of fun in assembling and soldering. I chose audio amplifiers because audio and music bring a lot of happiness into this world, and I want everybody to be able to afford happiness and good audio. Traditionally, if you wanted to implement an Arduino, the power supply cannot exceed 12 volts, and audio amplifiers can demand higher voltages. So therefore you might even need 2 or even 3 power supplies. The project often ends up being noisy from a cooling fan. So what will the X-Carve help me with? It will help me produce nicely machined wooden enclosures for the audio amplifiers. It will also help me in the R&D department because it will allow me to produce water cooling components for the audio amplifiers. That will allow for an absolutely silent operation of the amplifier. That means that you can focus on the music, not the noise the amplifier is making.